Unit 12, Section 2, the multiplication principle. So making a tree diagram. A tree diagram is one way to count the number of possibilities. Use a tree diagram. A tree diagram uses branches to list choices. I'll do number 1 with you, and then you'll do number 2. So it says choose a sedan, truck, SUV, or minivan. And then your choices are red, blue, or green. So you start off with sedan, truck, SUV, and a minivan. Okay? And then you have 3 possible choices. So I can have a red, a blue, a green. Red, blue, green. Red, blue, green. And then red, blue, green. Now you would do number 2. Now let's continue. The multiplication principle. If one event can occur in m ways, and for each of these ways a second event can occur in n ways, then the number of ways that the 2 events can occur together is m times n. The multiplication principle can be extended to 3 or more events. Let's look at example number 1. A menu has 3 choices for salads, 4 main dishes, and 2 desserts. How many different meals are possible if you select a salad, a main dish, and a dessert? Well, that's 3 choices for salad times 4 choices for main dishes and 2 choices for desserts. You want to multiply them together. 3 times 4 is 12, times 2 is 24. You have 24 possibilities. I'll do 2A, and then I'll let you do 2B. Using a computer password. The password has 3 lowercase letters followed by 2 digits. The question is, how many passwords are possible if there are no restrictions? Well, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26. So 26 times 26 times 26 times followed by 2 digits. Well, how many? There's 10 digits. So then you multiply that out, you get 1,757,600. Now you try letter B. Finding the probability. For the following questions, you have a 6-sided number cube and a spinner. You spin the spinner 2 times. Find the probability that the spinner stops at 1, then 2. Well, you have a 1 in 4 chance to get 1, so 1/4 times the possibility of then getting a 2 is still 1/4. And then you multiply those across and you get 1/16. Now try number 2. Number 3. You spin the spinner once and you roll the number cube once. Find the probability that the spinner stops at the same number that you rolled with the number cube. Well, Again, you go back, here's 1/4 times 1/6, you get 1/24. Review questions. I'll do one, and then I'll let you do the second two. Solve the proportion. So this is reviewing what we learned before. So you can either use the cross products, and we'll do that. So y times 4 is 4y equals to 20 times 15, and you get the number 300. You divide out by 4, and you get y equals 75. Now you try the next two.